welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And this time around, finally, after weeks upon weeks of drought, we have new items to review. And let's use the knife. And just to say something while we're unboxing, and then it becomes boring, not become boring. I've been busy, and of course, some of you already know that we're busy with our own watch brand launch, and in November we're going to have that. That's the Flux Quadras right there. And that is the first prototype. We're about to get the last prototypes about it, and once we have that ready, we're going to be talking about that. Oh, look at that! They named this specifically for me because this is coming from Revelot, and this one is not given to the channel. So for those who are asking or have always been wondering, no, not all of my reviews are sponsored. This needs to be given back to Revelot. And once this is given back, I'm not gonna see this unit again. But of course, these are good friends and promotional or sponsored or not. We're going to give our unbiased review of these watches. My opinion, take it as it is, whether you think I'm biased or sometimes I am biased, okay? Sometimes I am biased to certain brands, but that's not going to affect the things that I'm going to say about the watch. If there's something bad about it, we're going to point it out, okay? Why do I need to give excuses? Guys, I don't need to give excuses. You already know how I've been operating for Revelot by it. There you go. Okay, let's get this out of the way. It's 2 minutes and I haven't even opened the box. Okay, and here we are. I didn't know which Hexmariner we're going to get, but this is the version 3 of the Hexmariner, and this seems to be the 39mm version. Let's open that up. Let's unwrap this baby right here. And of course, it's always a hassle to take out all these plastics. There they are. That's the plastic. That is the Hexmariner version 3. Okay, that's a okay. The thing about Hexmariners and Revelot is that they are really good when it comes to using these hexagonal patterns in their watches, and it's been an overlying theme of their Hexmariners, thus the name Hexmariners. But here you see a red mother of pearl hexagonal pattern dial. Really gorgeous. I love this. Actually, I preferred the purple one. I like the purple one, and but hey, red is not bad. Okay, let's take out this clasp here. Okay, very nice. It's a decent clasp. It's not really that thin, but it is not as thick as many clasps that I've seen. Let's see. Okay, the underside, you can see there's a micro adjust. You press it. Let's see. It's hard to do it when I'm on camera. Let's try and do it as. Oh, okay. So this seems to be like a clip thing. Oh, nice. I love that click. Nice and crisp. It doesn't push. It doesn't pull. Really nice. Okay. But as you can see there, sometimes your finger may slip. Oh, that's very satisfying. Really good. Well done on that, Revelot. Okay. Now, for those of you, where's my thing? I'm sorry. Let me do. This is already a fingerprint magnet. Okay. Sorry if my view of the watch is really too finicky. I'm trying to slow down my movements, okay, so that it's more palatable to your eyes. But look at this gorgeous bracelet. Now this is a flat Jubilee bracelet that they're calling it, and of course that's That's a homage of the new Land Dweller that we've seen. They were really quick at um, making these bracelets. It's really gorgeous. I like that. The articulation is pretty good, of course, because that has those narrow links. And of course, if you turn it on its belly, you can see those quick release spring bars and decently decorated roller. It looks different nowadays. Maybe they changed their roller. I don't remember seeing them this decorated. Okay. Now, bezel action. Let's try that. Really soft though. Okay, that's something I don't like. I don't like that. I like my bezels clicky, stiff, and really defined clicks. This is rather soft. There's a springiness to it. Let's see if there's any back play. No back play. That's good. Okay. If you're okay with that, I think you won't mind this Hexmariner. Also, keep in mind, Revelot is selling these at a really affordable price. This is just over $300, and if you upgrade it to a DLC coded version, there's some models that are DLC coded. This I don't think it's is this is this an option? No, there's no option for this red version, but some of the models have DLC coding, and then you're going to just add an extra $50 to that. Okay, now before we go to the wrist shot, I would like to mention our dear friends from Kunupu Coffee Roasters. If you don't know, they're the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. There's speculation that we're living in a virtual reality simulation. Now, don't believe those guys. Those guys don't have enough caffeine in their blood. You need to wake them up. Wake them up to reality. And Kunuku Coffee Roasters is here to let you know that they're willing to help. Just send them here to Aruba and include all the flat earthers also, and wake them up with this handcrafted coffee, the best in the whole wide universe. Kunuku Coffee Roasters. Okay, let's take off our Flux Quadras, bound to be released on November, and let's put this on. There we go. Whoa, okay, so 39 really is my size. Look at that. Really gorgeous. And look at that. Look at that bracelet, how it drips and flows to your wrist. To my wrist. Really good. I like it. So, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Hexmariner with the new flat Jubilee bracelet. We're going to check it out. We're going to make our full review as always. Loom shots, of course. And check out the website. They're already on sale. Normally I get these before they go on sale, but this time around it's already there. So you can freely browse the other models of Hexmariner. And when they release models, they release a ton of variations. So there's always something for everybody's taste. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and those interesting comments will make it into the actual video review of the new Hexmariner with the new 5-link flat Jubilee bracelet.